Hello everybody, it's Tina from Tina's Messy Crafty Life. How are you? I'm here to do a product review. I did buy these on my own. They're not sponsored by Dollar Tree. I would love to be sponsored by Dollar Tree. I mean, $10 a week, can you imagine? It'd be awesome. But I've been doing these pen or markers, and I thought to help you out, I do a little review and test them out and see how they well work. So if and then if you want to go check out your local Dollar Tree to find them. And as me, as a mixed media artist, I'm always using different pens. And my philosophy is you don't have to always have the most expensive pen to accomplish what you're doing, what you want to put down on paper. So I buy a lot of different pens from the Dollar Tree. And I thought I'd start sharing that with you. I think this would be my third video. So this week, something I noticed that came in at the new Dollar Tree that opened today were these. And it's gel pens. And you get 4 glitter gel pens. And some of them look like have 2 duplicates, but of course they throw in that odd color that, if you want a full set. So one was like the Princess, and what is this? The Descendants and Trolls. So I thought, let's see how well they work. So we'll start with the Trolls. I like how they're decorated too. They're cute. Got trolls all over them, and I don't care. Probably made for kids or teenagers, but you know what? I'm a big kid at heart. So we have this pink. Look at it. Isn't it cute? How it looks. Little trolls going around it. Ooh, so let's see. And I figure I'm going to do it in one of my mixed media pages so I can just work with it later. So, nice. Ooh, nice coloring. Love the pink. Color's good. I know I was going to say I was going to have an image that I could color, and I forgot to do it again. Right's nice. Loving it. So that's good. I like that color pink. So that's a pink, of course. Put you guys down a little lower so you can see. Hey, that would work better. So we have a blue. I just love how they look going around there. Ooh, nice blue. Love it. It's got glitter. There's a shimmer to it, so that's good. Color's in really good. Nice coloring. Hello. Right's good. I'm liking these. So that's the blue. And we have an orange in this pack. There's 4 in each pack. Nice and smooth. Awesome. They're very smooth. And they're coloring really well. Here's the purple. Purple, 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 purple. Ooh, the color's really nice. And I'm doing this quick, so awesome. So that's the 4 troll ones. Love it. And what I'm going to do is when I run into a color like this pack has a purple and a blue that may be the same colors. Look at aren't they cute, the little princesses? So we're going to do a comparison just to see if the colors are the same or different. So this is the blue princess. And this is the blue troll. Yeah, they're the same. So that's okay, because and then the purple is the same too, which is okay with me because I got 2 colors I didn't get in first pack. So here is the purple. I'm going to do purple right here, same. Yeah, they're the same color. Still got that glitter, still writes the same. Nice and smooth. But in this pack I gained a pink and a purple, or a pink and a green. So that so we got them over there. So let's check out the orange. Orange. Nice. Pink. The pink. Now the caps look different. See that it's different color, but they're looking the same when you color them out. So the pinks are the same. Yeah, you can't even tell the difference. Just the caps were different. Oh well, I ain't too worried. Then we got a green. So I gained a green. But you know what? I have grandkids, so they don't bother me. That I ended up with a few that are the same. You know, as much as I use them, they'll get used. So then on this pack, I probably got 3 the same and 1 extra. And this is the Descendants. I knew that some were the same. I actually paid attention this time. But on this one, I gained this one. So let's see. Here's the blue. Yeah, the same. Oh, maybe not. Let me see. Oh, let's see. No, it's the same. So that blue's the same. And then we got the pink. But you know something? For anything like me, I lose them all the time anyway, so. Oh, wait a minute. Ooh, I got a different purple. So that's cool. So this is a different purple. Awesome. So the purple in this pack is different than these purples. So let's do a comparison down here real quick. So we'll do a box. Okay. That's the Descendant one. Here's the Troll one. And then here's the Princess one, which looks the same as the Troll one. Oh yeah, there's a difference. So that was cool. So that was awesome. I'll put this up closer so you guys can see. Difference colors. So that was cool. And the last color to test, it's like this light blue teal. So let's go. It looks same as the blue. So let's do the blues comparison. So we got the Descendants, I'm calling it. This is the blue. And then we got the Trolls. Yeah, I'm not seeing a difference. And then we got the Descendants again. Well, that's not right. Well, maybe now that I'm doing it, it's a little different color. It's hard to tell, but it is different. And then the blue. Yeah, you can. It's very subtle. Let's see. Go like that. It's very subtle. It's a subtle difference. Very hard to tell, but it is different. You know what? For being 3 pence for $1, or 4 pence for, you know, how many? I forgot. 4 glitter pens for $1. I'm very happy with these. So I can't find anything bad about them to say on these. So see me in store, pick them up. Like I said, there's a few you'll get duplicates if you want the other colors. Because it's like, figure this was the troll, princesses, descendants, princess, descendants, princesses, trolls. Oop. So that's the trolls. This is the descendants. So, and this is the princesses. So you got a couple in each pack that were the same. So on the descendants, the only one was the same was the 2 pinks. So that's, to me, not bad for figure $3. I got a nice set of pens. So I'm giving these a 10. So keep an eye out on your local Dollar Tree for them when you go the next time. They're really smooth writing. I'm loving them. So I want to thank each and every one of you that have come, spent some time with me, checking out the Dollar Tree princesses, the descendants, and trolls gel pens. As always, be happy, be kind, be safe, be funny, be crafty, and bye for now, everybody, and have a good day.